Supreme Court has now stepped in on the Air India 171 tragedy. Acting on a plea by the Safety Matters Foundation, a bench from the Supreme Court led by Justices Surya, Kant and Kotiswar Singh have asked the centre to respond on calls for a court-monitored independent probe. The crash in Ahmedabad that killed 241 people, 230 passengers and 12 crew members. Now, families and experts have challenged the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau's preliminary report that blamed the pilots, basically in a way pointing fingers to the pilots. In fact, their lawyer, Prashant Bhushan, says that the report violates the rules on full disclosure and suppresses factual data. The father of Captain Sumit Sabharwal has also written to the Aviation Ministry, clearly calling suggestions that his son deliberately caused the crash as baseless and defamatory. Basically, that report that insinuated it was the pilot's error. The father of that pilot says that this is an absolute insult to my son. It's baseless, it's defamatory, and there should be an independent probe to find out what really happened. Pilots Union and Air India have rejected the AAIB's findings. In fact, the initial report that came in by the AAIB, Pilots Union and Air India have rejected the report. When Boeing first blamed pilot Bhavya Suneja for a Lion Air crash, until later probes exposed a design flaw in the Boeing 737 MAX. With this case, the Air India Ahmedabad crash, these pilots associations say, let's not make the same mistake as to what happened then with Bhavya Suneja. The Supreme Court has called this only logical now to demand for a fair probe, especially with selective leaks like flight recorder data already in circulation. The centre must now respond to the demand for a court-monitored investigation, something that the families say is right now vital for both truth and aviation safety.